The UA Expert is a full-featured OPC UA client toolkit framework provided by Unified Automation Studio, supporting features like data access, alarms and conditions, historical access and calling of UA methods. In our case, the main purpose of using OExpert is to read node-read values in devices connected at the same time to the smart communication card. Please note that UA Expert is an open software not owned by ABB. ABB declines all responsibilities related to the use of functionalities and features. UA Expert software is easily accessible and downloadable by going to the displayed link. Once the UX part is downloaded, the user creates a personal user ID and password to log in. Using UA Expert, users can perform several actions. 1. Connect to the SCC. To connect to the SCC, user can open the project and add a new server. It is important to use the default IP address, which is 192.168.2.1, followed by 8480 in this case. 2. Operate safely. To guarantee cybersecurity, we have to select a basic 256 SHA 256, and then, sign and encrypt. Default password is ABB. 3. Monitor devices. By going to the address space, we can see the devices which are connected over Modbus, TCP or RTU under Modbus, and the devices which are connected over OPC, will be listed on the OPC proxy. In web server we have connected B23 and then also TCN. So, the name which we have used in the web server will be appearing in the list. In this case we have used Zone 1 TCN1, and under the holding register you will see the variables which were defined. So, by clicking on any of the variables, it will expand and show the address attribute. It is important to drag and drop the variable and ensure that you are getting some value from the sensor, meaning the device is connected. If the device is not connected, check the wiring is correct, referring to the section where we have discussed the wiring and SCC configuration parameters. 4. Manage all connections in one framework. One important feature we will use in the node-read chapter is the possibility to find the node ID of devices. Clicking on the device itself, in this case we have 50448. Please consult Smart Communication Card User Manual for detailed information and instructions. UA Expert and SCC. Easy connection. Smart Communication Card. A piece of cloud for everyone.